As you can see how I control my PC with my mobile, these tricks work on both Android and Apple devices, so let's get started. Just open any website browser on your PC or your laptop and then open the link also given in the description and then log in on this website and click on the download button. After that, a pop-up window will be open, so just add this extension and click on the save button and then install it. Now click on the remote access button and then press on the turn on button. Now choose a name or password for your computer. Open any website browser on your mobile and then open the same website. And then click on your computer name. After that, enter your passwords. Now it's time to enjoy. So if you like this video, just join our community.